Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert images and pictures to your diagrams and flowcharts on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your diagram project, and what you want to do is click into Arrange here, select Insert, or hover your mouse over Insert here, and use the Image option here. After that, you may, for example, drag the image in its given file format like JPEG or PNG here to that position, and that's basically it. After that, click into Apply, or you may click into Open here, navigate to or locate the file on your device, select the size, and after that your image will be added to your diagram, and you can position it, connect it with other elements, rotate it, resize it. That's it guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.